So, what will your journey be like? We will start off with a 3-day business course and teach you all of the theoretical side of running a business. A lot of you have never owned a business before. How does it work? How do you plan your finances? How do you do local area marketing? All of those things get covered in a 3-day course that every gym does. Then we move on to practical cleaning training. So we'll take you through every type of clean, a vacate, a house, a commercial business, teach you how to clean properly with all the tricks and tips that make you efficient. Anyone can clean, but the difference is being an efficient cleaner that's unparalleled. That's why we're brought in to clean. Then we move on to sales and marketing training. A lot of people have never had to go out and talk to people and sell themselves, because that's basically what we're doing. We're selling ourselves, we're finding solutions for our customers. Then every 6 weeks, all of our franchisees get together and we have a meeting about what have been our challenges for the last 6 weeks. And we've always got a training component, so we're always trying to expand your mind and keep you learning. Then we have regular proactive calls. We'll assess your business, your profitability. Are you travelling too far? Are you working too hard? All of those things that you'll get so tunnel visioned on that you won't notice. That's where we help mentor you through and help you, guide you through the process of going from an employee through to a business owner. Then you've got all your other franchisee cleaning family to help you. If you guys get big jobs, call in some of your other franchisees, work together as a team. And that's another thing that Bella, our training manager, does really, really well. Let's work together as a family, get it done, help each other, be profitable and have fun.